Say good morning, Mirabelle. She has the hiccups this morning. Don't ya? Oh. She just wanted to send a video to Iowa to tell everyone hi, didn't ya? She can't wait to meet you guys. Hiccup. Whoa, that was a big one. She's in her little chair with the blanket from Aunt Betty she really likes. We just woke up. She slept real good all night, and then she woke up at about 6:15 again, and then we fed her, and then we went back to sleep all the way until 8:30. And now we just she ate breakfast, and we put on her outfit for the day, and now we decided to make a video. And we'll put it on YouTube for you this morning. Okay, Mirabelle, say goodbye.